If you're looking to start Forex trading in 2026, the key is not complexity, it's understanding the right steps from the beginning. Forex trading involves exchanging one currency for another with the goal of profiting from price movements. For example, when trading euro to US dollar, you're speculating on whether the euro will strengthen or weaken against the dollar. Every trade is based on a simple decision: buy if you expect the price to rise, sell if you expect it to fall. Your result is determined by how the market moves after your entry. To get started, focus on these core steps. First, build a basic understanding of how the market works and what drives price movement. Second, choose a trading platform that is structured, reliable, and easy to navigate. Platforms like Spova are designed to simplify this process, giving you access to multiple markets within a clear and organized environment. Third, begin with a demo account to practice without risk. And finally, when transitioning to real trading, start and focus on consistency rather than speed. One of the most common mistakes is approaching trading without preparation or expecting immediate results. Trading is a skill,